Hey guys, it's Gladys. Today on Work With Me. The goal of the original video was to teach her how to grade, or just to show her how I grade. What ended up happening was we had like a 3-hour session, and I'm going to be breaking that video up into parts. So this part is basically, I'm just showing her best engineering practices. We're going through the background of the project, and also showing her small indicators of what certain things mean and how to read architectural plans. So let's engineer something.
What's the project? It is
or wait, let me tell you the accurate number. Do you find it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
So let's go through. So you don't have it here yet. So let me just copy it from a different project. So the others folder, like,
yeah,
just don't once you put stuff in there, you don't really touch it. So you can put like another form of the others folder in here, because we want to say, hey, client, this is what you actually sent us, and verbatim, that's what's in there, and it's like untouched by us. So
okay.
And in a civil folder, we'll have like an edited version of it.
Mm-hmm.
Go back here. Let's go into your XREF and see what's been done so far.
I can also record this. Yeah, I'll start recording.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm also recording, so we're both recording. Just in case nothing's missed.
Yeah.
It's another reason why it's best for you to learn in the office, because it takes so much time for it to open. So I know you're also learning. So like, if it's also like going to take forever for the file to open, and you're also learning, is it's like, okay, you're only going to get like one thing done in a day.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You brought and you aligned it. Good. So they're doing an addition back here.
They are just adding like windows at the front. Like this is, if you go more front. Oh, no, this is the front. This is the back. Yeah, these window cells are the only. Actually, should add concrete to it. Okay, I forgot to add concrete. But like, yeah, these are the only thing that they are doing here.
Mm-hmm.
And then they are doing the building itself, and yeah, that's what I did for the building.
Is there a new building?
I think so. They are renovating the whole building. Let me open the proposal again. But that's what I saw from the proposal. So they said,
I only asked that because you have this area not shaded, but then this area is shaded.
I think this, for some reason, I feel like the plan is shifted. Like everything's shifted to the. I don't know what happened, but like if you can see it, it's a little bit. Everything is shifted to the left.
Right.
Yeah, but this wasn't the case yesterday. I don't know what I did. Yeah, everything shifted. It shouldn't be that way.
Okay, everything did shift.
Yeah.
You see the insertion points off.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but that wasn't the case. I don't know what I did yesterday before I.
It's aligned.
Okay.
Maybe it is possible that you did this as opposed to doing this. When you grab the maybe probably grab these two window cells in the front.
Yeah, maybe that would happen because I added these window cells at the end because I didn't know they were doing them until the end. Yeah.
Also, make sure you can practice of just saving randomly. It does, like, if you're it does take a little bit of time, because it does, like, for here it pauses everything. But I usually just start making phone calls, answer emails while I'm working. Here, okay, that's what you're saying. You were counting steps, and there's one window well under here.
Yeah.
Okay, and grading, I see.
Also for the last step, I made it shorter. I guess it's 5 inches instead of like 7 because like the ground was like was higher. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I had it to be shorter because the ground was higher than the last step, and then I had to do a little bit of small grading. It was 35.67, the actual limit of the ground.
So it's best when you're doing grading to do like a spot. For example, you're going to be drawing in this parking lot. You can do a spot elevation at this top of this parking, bottom of this parking, all these parking spaces. I'm assuming this is going to be an ADA parking space. This needs to be shifted. Oh, this is also got shifted.
Yeah, I don't know why.
It happens.
Yeah, that's true.
This is a little bit bigger, so you got to stay inside the property line, even if
Yeah.
the architect doesn't. So you don't always follow the architect's layout. You more so follow what a survey does, because the architect doesn't measure from. They just do have different methods of measuring, and there's lines that end up being like way straighter compared to what's actually existing. Since the existing foundation isn't changing, that's why we're maintaining what the survey is.
Okay, because I told with the architect, and also every time I add the building, I feel like it's different from the survey.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's right. And
yeah, because they didn't use our survey. Did you demo the building? Oh no, you didn't. It's just that's why. Oh, okay. I see why you think that it's because here we have it going in here. So that's why you're like, okay, I think they may be demoing here. Got it. It might be first year exit. So demoing part of the building to have the stairs.
oh, so they are removing parts of the building
Maybe.
and adding stairs.
Horses, filler, erudition, set free entrance. Let's look at more of the investigate more of this project. Familiar others folder. Also, make sure to put these in the when you get these. Look at the date that the person sent it to us. So I may send it to you late, but look at the date that it was sent to us. So, because we need to know, like, again, hey, like last time we got a file from you was this date. Because we may not save it until like 2 weeks later, but here's a date that we actually received it from the client.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and look through these. So this is a site plan. We go to we didn't send a CAD. The plat is going this way. Definitely look at the individual floor plans. Personally, I'm going to open these up. Hopefully it doesn't crash. So usually, see, these hatch walls mean these walls are existing to remain, and the walls become solid. That means these are new walls. So it looks like, even though you can't move yet, that's why I haven't moved it yet, because I think it's still thinking and loading. But you can kind of see it here that these walls might be new. So they may be proposing you to remove those walls to add those stairs.
But the stairs is
a lot of times I will tell the architect, which is they'll be smart with me. I'll tell them, hey, can you please like let us know what you updated, and they'll just say, look at the plans. So yeah, everyone and them just saying look at it is not always fun.
Okay, so that was part 1, and I think what I like the most about this new engineer is that she asks questions, no matter what it is, and I'm learning as well while I'm remembering things that I need to know to be a really good engineer as well. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.